Welcome back, healthy people. And if you're new here, we are thrilled that you found our channel. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more amazing natural remedies designed to elevate your life. In this video, we'll be sharing with you a super easy and super effective serum that will remove the appearance of dark circles underneath your eyes within just a week. That's right, 1 week. And this serum only needs 4 ingredients. Easy, right? Let's be honest, no one enjoys having dark circles underneath their eyes, making them look like walking zombies. So why do we get them sometimes? Well, anyone can develop dark circles under the eyes for a number of reasons, including but not limited to aging, stress, and dehydration. Lucky for you, we're here to give you the serum to make your eyes look youthful again. So say goodbye to zombie eyes and hello to healthy looking skin. For this serum, you'll need sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, rosehip oil, and lavender essential oil. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, which will help nourish and moisturize the skin under your eyes. Vitamin E oil has antioxidant properties that will help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Rosehip oil is high in vitamin C, which will help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Finally, lavender essential oil has anti-inflammatory and calming properties, which will help reduce puffiness and soothe the skin. To make, get together 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, ½ teaspoon vitamin E oil, ½ teaspoon rosehip oil, and 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Combine all the ingredients together in a small bowl and gently massage the serum into the under eye area with your fingertips. Do this every night before bed and rinse off with warm water in the morning. You'll begin to notice the difference within the week of consistent use. You can store this mixture for up to 1 month if kept in a cool and dry place. We recommend adding the serum into a dropper bottle for easier application. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. As always, remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.